I love you.
Yeah, I'm the Night King. Call me Osiris. That's the real motherfucker who died for us. The coffee smells intelligent as opium. I give the children a candy-coated scorpion. I spell out the spell you can never tell. In a parallel world I escape from the gates of hell. Hear the church bells ringing on the hilltop. 23, a cult trill, that real hip-hop. I'm heinous, I am Elohim, and I cannot feel my face, kinda like a silent scream, and I'm living a violent dream, like a cynical psycho. Alpha and Omega, rolling splits up with the Bible. The truth is a lie, the lie is the truth. I'm in the temple of the psychic youth. Absolute power corrupts absolutely. I burn down the world. I'm spun like a Sufi on that blind fury, the swift-handed justice with total slack and a total abundance. It's Noah 23. You cannot fuck with this. I got the doors open on the mothership. I'm the Night King at the tabernacle, drinking wine that's from a blue apple in the chapel. Beautiful maiden, I visit her in the form of a raven. Out in the courtyard, pick your poison. Down by the river, and I'm hearing voices drawn by the sirens, lured in a fever. Sleepwalker lake song, and I'm in the ether. Libra and Aries, wizards and fairies, there by the cemetery where I am buried. Get carried away, forever in a day. A cult trill like a Shakespeare play. Scared sacred, animal shapeshift. I got the doors open on my spaceship. The techno shaman making weird recipes. I hit you in the face with the spirit destiny.
A cult trill looking at you like, please go the fleas, don't show your gold teeth.
I'm the Night King at the tabernacle, drinking wine that's from a blue apple. I'm the Night King at the tabernacle, drinking wine that's from a blue apple.
I'm the Night King.